Hi everyone, today I'll show you how I do a gel nail correction. For the base I am using a soft Milky gel and on top add a stylish autumn design. We'll do stamping with delicate leaf patterns and decorate the look with golden accents. The result will be an elegant and very cozy fall manicure. Let's go!
Time goes by, yeah, you and I are running out. Time goes by, I've changed my mind about you and I. So would you stay for a minute so I can be bright? Let me catch my breath. Now I can feel what I'm saying. I'm letting you know this heart's on the edge. You make me feel so much better. Promise to love you forever. That's why I wanna spend my life with you. maybe one day you'll cross paths, and you both got new haircuts, and the chat that you used to borrow on someone else to show you this. Maybe then the nights are clear, and your heart is set on fire, but I promise you there's nothing but a cold dark light.
Thank you so much for being with me on VIO NAILART and watching this video till the end. I would really